Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kukulo Tositole, and guys, I'm back with another video. Guys, today we're making cinnamon rolls. Well, I'm excited. I am excited. Well, I always get excited when I bake. And this here is everything I'm going to use to prepare my dough. Here, you guys, I'm going to activate my yeast. In my bowl, I have my 1 cup of milk, and then in it, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar because I prefer to use brown sugar. If you have white, you can use white, guys. There's no problem. And then I'm going to put my 1 egg, and then in it, guys, I am going to put my yeast. Guys, this step is not compulsory, guys. If you know that your yeast is still fine to use, you can just skip this step. But if you're unsure like me, because I always want to be safe, that's why I do this, you guys. This is 3 teaspoons of yeast, dry yeast. And then, guys, I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a whisk, and then add my 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use any flour of your choice, but I just prefer using all-purpose flour. You can use wheat flour or whatever flour, guys. Okay, guys, for now I'm going to use my spatula, but I'm still gonna go in with my hands. Okay, I'm just gonna keep mixing, and then just keep adding flour because, guys, I do not want my flour to be like too hard, and I don't want it to be like too soft. Remember, if your dough is like too soft, it's not easy to work with, and if it's too hard, it doesn't give the best results. Okay, guys, now I'm going to go in with my hands and continue mixing or kneading. And guys, for this recipe, I'm not going to use any oil. I'm going to use butter because butter gives the best flavor. So I'm just going to add just not too much butter. I'm just add 2 tablespoons of butter and continue mixing. I know it looks like a mess right now, but just trust the process, guys. It's just gonna come together beautifully. Now I'm going to transfer my dough to my work surface. Firstly, I'm just gonna sprinkle some dry flour on my work surface, and then transfer my dough. Guys, I know a lot of people hate this step, but it's very important, guys. Like, please do it. Just please do it. For at least 8 minutes, guys. Like 8 minutes, guys. It's gonna change the game. Like, it's gonna make your rolls like very soft, very fluffy, guys. Uma ufuna insafu yama rolls, qofa itombolo lakho, qofa uflour wakho. So now my dough is beautiful, guys. I'm just gonna let it rest for about an hour, like 45 minutes to an hour, until it doubles in size. I'm just going to cover with the lid and just let it rest, guys, for about 45 to an hour. Hey guys, while my dough is resting, I'm now going to prepare the filling, you guys. Okay, guys, I have here half a cup of brown sugar. In it, I'm going to put 3 spoons of, like tablespoons, guys, of cinnamon, and mix. And then I'm now going to prep my casserole dish, because this is what I'm gonna use to bake my rolls. So I'm just going to grease my dish with like just a few drops of oil, and then sprinkle some dry flour in it so that my rolls won't stick to my pan, you guys, to my dish. My dough is ready, guys. It has risen beautifully. I'm just gonna punch it, guys. I'm just gonna give it a punch. I don't know why I enjoy this part, but I always enjoy this part, you guys. Now I'm going to prep my work surface, sprinkling a dry flour to it, and then transferring my dough. So that, guys, so that I can just shape it. I can just cut it, put the filling, and just cut it, guys. See, my dough looks amazing already. It looks so soft, so it's gonna just give me amazing rolls. Right now, guys, I'm just spreading it out with my hands, and then I'm going to use a rolling pin. I'm now just buttering my dough. Just going to apply butter all over my dough so that, guys, my filling sticks to my dough. And Rama, like as I always say, gives amazing flavor to it. Like, it's just gonna give me amazing flavor. Okay, guys, I'm now just going to use my spoon to just distribute my cinnamon sugar all over my dough. Guys, you can use your hand. Always, you can use your hand. You can use the spoon. You can use whatever, guys. This recipe is very friendly. You can just enjoy this recipe like with your kids. You can just like, yeah, guys. You know our kids love to play with dough. Well, this recipe, it's not easy to get this recipe wrong, because if you follow the steps, you definitely are gonna get it right. My baby girl is helping me right now, and I'm enjoying it. As you guys can see, I'm just pulling and rolling, pulling and rolling. So, guys, to secure, to make sure that it doesn't open when I bake it, I'm just gonna pinch the end, as I'm doing right now, guys. Okay, guys, to cut this, you can use a knife, you can use dental floss. Mina, guys, ngizosebenzisa intambo le yokuthunga, guys. Nginekhara nje yami ihlalela khona ukuthi mangenza ama rolls ngisebenzise yona. So, guys, I'm just going to try to cut like equal parts, equal sized cinnamon rolls, so that zizovuthwa kanye kanye. Another thing, guys, I really wanna thank you guys. I see your support. I see you guys comment section, guys. I see you guys. Thank you so much, guys. I see you guys are liking my videos. You are you watching my videos, guys. May the good Lord bless you guys. May He bless you for me, guys. Thank you so much, you guys. The way you guys are subscribing, the channel is growing. I thank you. Thank you guys so much. Ngiyabonga, kuyalebuha. Ndiyabonga. Ndiyabulela. Thank you guys so much. Please, guys, continue. Don't stop. Continue, guys. To all of you guys that have YouTube channels, may we continue supporting each other, guys. May we continue growing together. Guys, I'm done cutting my dough. Now I'm just gonna cover it again and let it rest for about 20 minutes before I throw it to the oven. Ready to bake. Now I'm ready to bake this. Guys, I'm going to bake this in like for about 20 minutes. My oven has been preheating, so now I'm going to turn it to bake and then bake this for 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, guys. 180 degrees. Okay, guys, okay. Okay, my rolls are out of the oven, and yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, guys, like these cinnamon rolls are perfect the way they are, né? They're perfect. But guys, since I'm extra, guys, I'm going to prepare my glaze, guys. Like, if you don't want to if you don't want to do anything else, you can enjoy your rolls like this. But guys, I'm going to prepare my glaze, guys. Guys, I have my 1 cup of icing sugar, and in it I'm going to put about 5 to 6 spoons of milk, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix, you guys. And guys, make sure you don't just put like too much liquid icing sugar, because it's gonna be too runny, and yeah, we don't want it to be too runny. You want it to be like a good consistency, not too runny, not too thick. Now I'm just drizzling my glaze on top of my rolls. Guys, anihali yini. My rolls look amazing. They look amazing, guys. Okay, guys, my work is done here. So guys, yeah, my rolls look amazing. They look amazing, guys. I don't know if niyabona yini, guys. Niyabona yini, guys. Do you see? So guys, yeah, they look amazing. They're very soft. Like, they smell amazing, you guys. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, see you on my next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys. Bye.